Hi, Deepa Rani Shekhar from Transform Life Programs. Love and Light. At the outset, let me tell you a story. One day, a man found his friend feeling very stressed and disheartened. Reason being, his job was at stake. His car had had a flat tire. His food had gone bad. He had to hear a lot of negative remarks from his boss, and he was issued a warning. Whatever was happening in his career was escalated. So there was lots going on with this person, and he had lost money in shares. So it was a totally bad day, and he thought he would drop this friend home, and he went picking him. As he drove, he still saw that his friend was very, very sad. His friend was very depressed. And as he neared his house, despite his sad mood, he invited his friend for a cup of tea. As they were walking towards the door, as they were crossing through the lawn, the friend told this man, "Just a minute," went to a tree that was in the middle of the lawn, hugged it for a moment, and as though he was taking something from his pockets or from his body, whatever, that's how this man could understand it. He just made an action of hanging it onto the tree and hugged the tree for maybe a minute. And as he moved into the threshold, as he crossed from outside into his house, he was a totally changed man. His energies were totally different. He smiled, picked up his youngest child, hugged and kissed his wife, ruffled the hair of his older son, and started asking how their day was. And he joked and laughed as they had tea. As he was seeing his friend off, as they walked to the gate, the friend asked him, "How could you manage this? You were so sad when we were driving down. But the moment you went inside your house, you became so cheerful. How could you do that?" So this man said, "I never carry worries from the office to my house or problems from my house to the office. I bundle it and leave it there. That's what I did with the tree. The minute I hugged the tree, there was an energy exchange. All that was negative in me was transmuted into something cheerful and lively." Does it really work, friends? Does it really work? Probably yes, because there is something called tree hugging. Have you heard it? Hug a tree. Do you realize that our ancestors spent a lot of time in nature? They were very close to Mother Earth. They soiled their hands more often than we do. They were closely associated with plants and trees, and they still handled their own crop. So they were very closely associated with nature. They were kind of in communion with nature. While we living our modern lives, we are far removed from nature. Forget communion. We are far removed from, there is a separation is what I would say. So what are we doing with our negative thoughts? What are we doing with all the stress that we experience? Are we transmuting it? Are we releasing it? What are we doing? Or are we bottling it up to go into depression, to blast out and spoil relationships, careers? Or though sad and dismal it is, disheartening it is, or hit the suicidal bar? What are we doing? Let me explain this simple technique of hugging a tree to you. I think we need this at the moment because 2020 has not been great for any of us. It started with a bang, but then it is going bang, bang, bang. There is a pandemic, and each day we are waking up to the death of news of the death of somebody. It could be a celebrity, it could be a Jawan, it could be people we know. Whatever it is, it's not a great news every day. Someone who lost their job, someone who lost something, someone who's lost their business, and financial issues, financial fear is gripping everybody. So that kind of is becoming the group consciousness, which again is not good. When the group consciousness gets into the energy of fear or doubt or stress, it grows. And the more we focus on this, like I always say, what we focus on expands. So, can we all do this to cleanse ourselves, to bring ourselves out of the stress, to transmute all our negative emotions, fears into something positive and cheerful? It's very simple. Just hug a tree. It's very popular in the Oriental techniques of Qigong called hugging a tree. Our ancestors did that. People who meditated sat at the base of the tree. People who chatted, the city squares had a huge banyan tree or a peepal tree, they sat under it. So, this aligns our energies with the trees and it transmutes all our energies into positive. And it also has the medicinal effect of aligning bones, giving a structural integrity to our bone structure. And feel free to communicate with nature. If you have observed, when you are in the middle of nature, we feel a kind of ease. There is a lightness about the whole environment. So feel free to communicate with the tree. If there are a cluster of trees, just see which tree goes with you and then hug the tree and just feel the energy. Give all your negative energy to it and just hug the tree and ask for everything to be transmuted. Go into a communion. Give gratitude to Mother Earth. Give all your negative energy to that tree and ask it to transmute it. Ask all your negative energy to be grounded and just thank the energies and see how you feel. Especially if you align your spine to the tree, it is faster and it goes great. Thank you for joining me, Deepa Rani Shekhar from Transform Life Programs. Love and light.